at the Breezy NFTs. On this channel, we discuss NFTs, crypto, the crypto wallet, NFT news, crypto news, and lots more on this channel. So, but today we'll be discussing on and I'll telling you guys and showing you on how to use the Binance spot trading platform. And here we are on the Binance spot trading platform. As you can see right here, this is the trading pairs, the BTC against USDT, which is BTC is the Bitcoin. So here we are trading Bitcoin against USDT. And simply, if you want to buy BTC, you have to use what? USDT. And you have to sell your BTC, you'll be giving USDT in return. So, with that being said, before I could move further to explaining furthermore, so please, you can do well to like, comment, subscribe to this channel if you want to see your boy grow. So I know you all want me to grow, so please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. So let's proceed. When you look down, these are your what? Your trading pairs, as I've told you initially. So when you click on this button right here, now it pops down below the other trading pairs that is there on the platform. So let us say we search on ape. Once you search on ape, so then you can see other trading pairs of ape. You can trade ape against BTC, USDT, BUSD, BNB, Ethereum, Euro, GBP, and lots more. So this is that about the search column. Now that aside, when you look at the next column next to it, you see the BTC current price. It's currently at approximately $30,000. And when you look next there, you see what that is the changes in BTC in the past 24 hours. There has been 1.8% changes there in the past 24 hours. And here we can see the highest high of Bitcoin in the past 24 hours, which is 30.3k. And here is the Bitcoin low, which is in the past 24 hours, it's at the rate of $29.2555. And here you see the Bitcoin trade volume in the past 24 hours has been $31.924 and lots more. Now, when you look down below, you see time. This is called the time frame. It's called what? The time frame. Here you can you can view the chart there on the 15-minute time frame, on the 1 hour time frame, the 4 hours time frame, a day time frame, a week time frame. And if you want to view more, you click on this button here. It will tell you what select your interval. So you can edit and select your interval to be able to read the chart if you are a pro. But as a beginner, if you as a beginner don't know how to read the chart, just stay low and just find trustworthy platforms or groups where you can get signal, either a paid signal or a trustworthy person that can give you a free signal, so for you to enable your trading. Now that aside, when you look at this place, it is called what? The charts. The charts. So the green bar you see here, it's called what? The bullish candle, and the red one you see here is the bearish candle. So there are ways to read and to analyze this chart to know when the either Bitcoin is going deep or when it will moon. So when it will bull, you know lots more about it, the strategies involved. So as a beginner, I'll just give you that kindly advice to just find someone who gives you what free signal at the moment. Then in due course, you can able what to follow and read the chart perfectly as a pro. Now, um, on this side here, this is the selling pairs, and these are the what, the buying pairs. Now this is the rate at which individuals want to sell their buy their what, buy their Bitcoin. You can see it on the with green colors there. And likewise here is the selling part. People want to sell their Bitcoin at this particular range. You can see them. So now, with that being said, let's go to the spot trade in particular. Now here is it. You can see it's written here what, spot. Now here we have the limit, we have the market, we have the stop limit. Now I will explain this once again, but I will explain that in my last video on Binance tutorial, on which I explained briefly about spot trading. So but I'll still repeat it on this video. Now here is the spot, this is your limit. Now limit gives you the leverage, gives you the advantage of setting your own price. Let me say, just as we can see here, that BTC is currently at what, the 29k. Now limit price gives you the opportunity to set your own price. Let me say you have already read the chart and you see that maybe Bitcoin will go low at a price, let me say 28k. So what you do at the moment, you go there and set your own price at 28k, or and you can still set the amount of um, Bitcoin with this adjustment here. You can use that and set the amount of BTC also. And what the ones that has been set, then you just all need to do is to go down and click on what, buy. And notice that once you click on buy, automatically this this will appear, the your buy limit, your buy will appear here at this point here. It will appear here waiting for that particular price that you set as a target. So once it reaches that particular target, automatically it buys in for you. That is the importance of what, limit price. Now same thing goes to what, for the selling aspect. Once you use the limit, it gives the opportunity to set your own limit price and gives the opportunity to put your own amount, and then what, if you like, you use the adjuster here to adjust the amount you want to put there. And once you click on that sell, lo and behold, automatically it what, sells for you at that average price. Now next thing is the what, the market. Now on this particular market price, now it's automatic. You see on this place, on this particular bar, it shows what, market. Now this is the market platform. Now automatically it tells you that at this price 30k, it automatically buys for you once you set it at what, market. Once you click on your buy, it automatically buys in for you at that particular market average price. It buys in for you. Same thing as the sale. Once you're using the market price, it automatically sells at that market price, average market price for you. So this is basically all about the spot trading. But I will always give you an advice. Whenever you buy using what, let me say you buy uh, Bitcoin worth of $100, as a beginner, please always ensure that you have profit over your $100 to avoid what, selling in loss. Ensure you have what, profit. Don't sell in loss. Selling in loss is not always advisable. That's why we suggest and advise that you find someone who gives you signal, or a paid signal group in which you can get what, signal to enable your what, trading. Then in due time you enroll in what, you enroll on analysis class or technical class. Ensure that you always have profit on the $100 you have invested, let me say as a beginner, then other things can follow suit. So I know that value and knowledge has been gotten from this video. So you can do well to like, subscribe, share this video, and also drop your comments to appreciate the video. Or if you have any question, drop them down. Or if you have a video, a suggestion, or a particular video you want me to do research on, please drop them on the comment section and I'll be glad to answer all your questions and do the video if necessary. Thank you for watching this video and see you in my next video. Thank you very much. Stay safe.